What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check archive post on Instagram. Now as you can see, I'm on my profile here and I have a bunch of different posts, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to archive one of those posts, right? So I'm going to just simply click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side of any post, and then one of the options there in the list, the third one down, is basically archive. So you want to click on that and that post will be archived. Now, in order to check this post in the archive list, all you have to do is just ensure that you click your profile on the lower right hand side. You'll be taken to your profile page and then click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. It's also called a burger menu. Now, once you click that, you will see archive in the list there. You want to click on that, and from there you want to switch the category at the top from story post or whichever one it is showing to post archive. So you click the drop down there and you will have story post, post archive, and also live archive. So I'm going to switch to post archive, and there you will find your archive post. So in order to click on it, you can view it, and if you want to unarchive it again, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and simply go ahead and click delete. Now once you click delete, the post will be unarchived, and as you can see that you're going to restore it by simply hitting delete, and this will be deleted from your archive section, and then the post will go back to your main page. And that's how easy it is, guys, to archive a post and also to check your archive list, and even how to unarchive or remove that post from your archive list. Very easy and very simple.